Welcome to Bell's Bites. I'm Chef Bell. Today, we're making chorizo dip. Usually we would have ground chorizo, but the grocery store didn't have that, so we got whole chorizo sausages. We're gonna improvise. So we're gonna start off by gutting the sausage so that we have our ground chorizo. So we just wanna break the skin and then just take the skin off. We're gonna do this with a pound of chorizo. So usually that's about 4 whole sausages. So we're gonna take this next one. We're gonna do the same thing. Just take a knife, slice it down the middle, just enough to bust the skin open, as you can see. Split it open, gut it. More ground chorizo. For those of y'all who don't know, we got Mike Boom behind the camera here. We off to a good start. We're gonna take our now ground chorizo, take it over to the skillet. It's time to brown it up. Technical difficulties there, but that's cool. Personally, even though sausage releases its own juices and grease, I like to throw a little bit in there, just so that the pot doesn't burn. Nothing crazy, just a little bit of vegetable oil. Let that heat up in the pot some. We're gonna throw the chorizo in there. Let that brown up. Throw the cream cheese in there. Throw the diced tomatoes. And we got chorizo dip after that. Alright, we're about to get a little diced tomatoes, open it up. You can use whatever you want, but unfortunately in the grocery store didn't have what I wanted, which is the hot diced tomatoes. But hey, nothing's wrong with a little mild. Everybody doesn't like hot foods anyways. Personally, I do. As you can see, the chorizo cooked down. Throw these tomatoes in here. Let all that flavor get around in there. The pan was hot. Had to grab this towel. Starting to see some juices from the tomatoes and from the sausage get in there. That's what we like to see. Now, for the last part, get all that cream cheese out there. Everybody know that's what make it better. Everybody love cheese. Alright. This is the longest part. You gotta let the cream cheese melt down. So it's good if you let your cream cheese be sitting out some, so it's a little softer than it would be if it was in the fridge. But we're gonna do that. Let that cook some. Cut the heat up. Try to find a top to put over it. And we'll be good. Is this the hardest? See it op, hit him with the ugly shot like I'm Lonzo. Catch it op.